Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, I'm gonna check out the official teaser for movie Sultan, which just came out a few hours ago. And the movie stars Karthi and Rashmika Mandanna in the lead role. And the movie is gonna release in April, sometime first week of April or something like that. I mean, we'll get a proper release date in this teaser only. And I would like to say that Bollywood, what is happening, guys? Why aren't you giving any teasers, trailers, any updates regarding the movies? I mean, South industry is doing so good job. They are releasing teasers, trailers, posters, announcement, release date announcements, and even upcoming 2022 movies announcement. Even the Sarkaru Wari Pata, the upcoming Mahesh Babu movie, they set the release date for Sankranti 2022. So Bollywood, what is happening? Why aren't you giving any updates, any teasers, any trailers? At least give us the update of Pathan, an official announcement or something that would make us calm for now. Give us something, man. Give us something. South industry is doing so good job releasing so many teasers and trailers. And today, just few hours ago, came out the official teaser of Sultan. So without wasting any time, let's just check the teaser out. Then we're gonna talk about it.
மகாபாரதம் படிச்சிருக்கியா? மகாபாரதத்தில் கிருஷ்ணர் 100 வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்து கௌரவர்கள் மாறலாம். நீ ஒரு வாய்ப்பு தானே கேட்குற?
Isn't that the antagonist from KGF?
மகாபாரதத்தில் கிருஷ்ணன் பாண்டவர் பக்கம் நின்றான். அதே கிருஷ்ணன் கௌரவர் பக்கம் நின்றுருந்தா நீங்கள் மகாபாரதத்தை ஒரு தடவை போர் இல்லாமல் படித்து பாருங்க சார்.
Theaters from April 2nd. Mark your calendar, guys. So many movies are coming in April, May, and then of course June, July, and so on. And Karthi is suitable for every role, I think. I mean, he's doing so many different roles, and he just nails every character he plays. And that last movie which even went on to become Bollywood remake. Ajay Devgn is doing that remake. Kathi, the name of the movie was Kathi, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it came out in 2019. Ajay Devgn is doing the remake of that movie in Bollywood, and this movie also stars Rashmika Mandanna with him. So she is beautiful, absolutely stunning, and national crush of India right now. So yes, I'm looking forward to watch this movie if possible. It's a Tamil movie, so hopefully if they release it with the English subtitles here, so I'm gonna definitely check out this movie too. And Karthi. I have seen a few movies of Karthi. I mean, not many, just 2 or 3 movies of Karthi, and they are old ones, and they are dubbed in Hindi, and I have seen them on TV. But I would definitely like to check out some native language movie in Tamil of Karthi. So I think this might be it, and I'm gonna check out this in Tamil, but obviously with English subtitles, otherwise I won't get anything. Just like in this teaser, there was some mention about reference of Mahabharata and Krishna. He was talking about something. I really don't know what it was about, so if you guys really know what that was all about, so please do let me know down in the comments below about that. And if I'm not wrong, that was the villain of movie KGF chapter 1, antagonist from chapter 1. So that is the antagonist in this movie too, if I'm not wrong. And I also saw Nawab Shah in one of the sequences. Yes, it was definitely Nawab Shah. So yes, this movie is looking quite interesting, and it is just a 1-minute teaser, guys, and we don't know anything about the story and more characters, so we are not so sure, but it definitely looks interesting, and it's Karthi, so what else? So definitely gonna watch this and check this one out. So guys, please drop your thought down in the comment below about this movie, about Karthi, about Rashmika Mandanna, and about the antagonist of this movie. If you guys have any thoughts regarding this at all, so please drop them down in the comments. I would really love to check them out and talk to you guys about it. And if you really like this reaction, really like this video, then please that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please that subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push the notification bell icon so you never miss an update from this channel. Until then, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep supporting.